Hello guys, my name is Larry and welcome to my YouTube channel. And for those of you that do follow this channel, you know that several years ago, before I got to COVID, I was doing a whole lot of sawmilling. Yeah, I had homemade sawmills, I had a Harbor Freight sawmill, I had all kinds of sawmills, Godzilla and so forth. Well, it's time to get back into sawing some of this old wood, cedar and mesquite and whatever we can get our hands on. We're going to continue with the build on the baby Godzilla number 2, which I'll show you a shot of here in a minute. But we're going to jump back on the Harbor Freight sawmill. We're going to start implementing something like an auto feed system into both of these sawmills. We're tired of pushing them. We're getting up in age. It's getting pretty tough on us. So we're going to see if we can create something with a wheelchair motor, or I'm not sure yet, but we're going to put something out there that's kind of interesting. But yeah, this is where we left off last time. And that was pre-COVID. But we're going to continue with it. I'm going to go ahead and build some tracks for it. This is exactly where you see it. The old spider web still on it. So yeah, stick around. We're going to be putting out some more sawmill videos, and hopefully we'll get y'all people back on the channel with us. We ask that you hit the like, subscribe button. It does help this channel get out there to reach others. But anything you can do will be greatly appreciated. Now let's get to sawing some wood.